Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Mountain Standard Time. I'm Rob, and tonight we're going to be reviewing the Seagull 1963 chronograph. But before we get into that, I want to give a quick wrist watch check. This is a Seiko turtle that has been modded by a new friend of mine. His name is Ross. And tonight's watch and the watch I'm wearing and 3 others that he sent in are going to be reviewed on my channel for the next couple videos. So buckle up. I hope you're interested in some Seiko mods. But tonight I wanted to get out the oddball of the group, something that he threw in as a little extra, and it's this Seagull 1963 chronograph. All right, so let's get into the details on this Seagull 1963. You can buy these watches at longislandwatch.com for $349. So go out there and support Mark. Mark does a lot of YouTube videos. He's a great source for information, and he sells watches for a living. How lucky can you get? This one happens to be the sapphire edition. It has the sapphire crystal, and the backstory on this watch was this was one of the first watch companies in China, and they were commissioned by the Chinese government to come up with a watch for the Chinese Air Force. And in 1963, they were finally approved, and this is what we got. This is what they produced. Obviously, this is not a 1963 model, but they are very similar, kind of like the Speedmasters. The look is classic. No, what they do have in common is they are both a 42mm wide case. And this is 13 millimeters thick, and it does have an exhibition Caseback, and it's pretty neat. I'm going to pull the strap off and I'll show it to you. It does come with a NATO style brown, gold, and black strap. Now, if I was to get this watch, I think I'd throw it on one of these Erica originals and go with a little communist theme with the green and the red. I think that would be sweet, but we'll review this watch later. Let's get that out of here. All right, back to the Seagull. Very cool watch. Let's take a look at how it functions. You got the start of the chronograph at the top. I did take a video of how the minute hand ticks over, and this is the stop action. A nice crisp click, and watch this. It's spring-loaded back to the 12 o'clock position. Look at that. Flies back. So very cool, nice. It's kind of a flat sapphire. It's not really domed, but it is sapphire, so it is scratch resistant. And the finishing on this is pretty amazing. I mean, for $350, to have one here in the flesh, you know, even Ross admitted if he had to pay double for this watch, I think, well, he said he would be happy with it, and I'm going to have to agree. I think this is an amazing watch for the price, for $350. So if you're clicking on this video because you're interested in this watch, I'm giving it a thumbs up for this price point. This one is a 21 jewel. You can see right there, 21 yuan, 21 jewel. And
Again, really cool watch. Look at this, watch it. Snaps back to the 12 o'clock. Very cool. All right, let's take a look at the back. All right, here's the back of the case. Let's get it right side up. So here's a close-up of the watch's back. Again, you got some neat attention to detail back here. Again, for the price point, I mean, can you ask for much more than this? Very cool. Let's see what, so you can see it's been activated. And that right there was it snapping back to the 12 o'clock position. Let's show that again. Start, stop, 12 o'clock. Again, very cool.
All right, guys, that's it for the Seagull 1963. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a like. Please subscribe. Again, I've run out of relatives to bribe. And hit the bell icon for me. All right, like I said before, we will be reviewing Ross's Seikos that he sent me and that he's modded up. I'm really looking forward to these upcoming videos. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye. Tonight we're going to be reviewing a Seiko. No, we're not.
Somewhat similar. Similarities are similar.